Good morning. My name is Harshada Kishore. I have completed BENTC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date is 16th February 2022 and today's Viva topic is architectures of Java virtual machines. What is the architectures of any Java virtual machines? Basically, Java Java virtual machines is the machines of the code, and the Java virtual machines is the JVM is the abstract method. The if you open it is the open Java virtuals of the machines is the runtimes of the code environment can be executed, and the every times JVM will be creates open a byte code to the open runtimes code can be executed. The JVM is the platform dependency, but JRE and the JDMA means open the Java runtime environment, and the Java development kit is the non-dependent platform. But JVM is the dependence of the platform. If you create sub the open JVM, the every times the runtime code can be executed. So it is the Java virtual open machine. And the JVM is the both open hardware as well as open software platforms available. But JVM it is the only open dependent platforms is the uses. So it is the using open dependent platforms. There are four types of the open class of the files. First one is the open class loader, then verifies code, executing code, and the runtimes open environments. We will discuss about open one by one open methods. First one is the open class of the open loaders. The JVM, if you will be creates open objects, they every time creates of the open class files, and the class file if it is the checks open the class file it is the abstracts or the not a, and then it is the checks open it is the instance of the variable or not a, and then pass of the open JVM. So it is the open class open files. Then executes verifies the code. The every times the Java virtual machines can be executes the code, and that time we will be creates of the open objects, and if we will be checks the open objects, and every time the verifies open code, and if we will be verifies and then it is in a dependent platform, so we will be JVM will be calls open again. So it is the verifies of the code. Then after that the executions of the code. The every time you will be creates of the executions of the open code. Then Java virtual machines is the runtimes of the environments, and then every times the byte code can be converted into the open machines code. So you will be creates of the machines of the code. So it is the executions of the open code. Then runtimes of the environment. What is the runtimes of the open environment? The every times code can be executed, that times you will be creates of the open objects, and if it is the instance of the open variable, you will be creates of the open objects, and that times the open runtimes of the open environments. And the runtimes environments is the every times can be converts of the open byte code into the open machines code, and that time you will be calls of the open environmentals of the open runtimes of the open code, that time executes of the open running the positions. So it is the runtimes of the environment. And then at that the times it is using of the open garbage collectors. If you will be open a heap of the open memory, and then stack of the open memory, you will be creates of the garbage of the open collectors say, and then garbage of the open collectors so collects of the open garbage and creates to the open objects of the sufficiency. So it is the use of the open garbage of the open collectors say, and it is also use of the open stacks say. If you will be conditions will be open fulfilled, then it is the usings of the open stacks say. So this is the open JVM open architecture say. That's all. Thank you.